So dear children, we are into congruency, and once more you have to give a lot of importance to how to write congruency and what are the basic facts we should understand. Here see, there is a figure given, prove that CD bisects AB, and from the figure what is given, let us try to find out. From the figure it is given, like we have to say that CD bisects AB. That means we have to prove OB is equal to OA, and this 1 dash and 1 dash means that they are equal. Like it is given, the red thing, AD is equal to BC, it is given. Alright, and this is 90 degree, that is also given. So how to go about it? First let us try to see. Have you understood the complete question? There is a triangle in which these there are two triangles in which this is 90 and this is 90, and these two are straight lines, and you have to prove that CD, this CD line bisects AB. Actually I can ask the opposite thing also, that AB bisects CD. So actually to prove that, first I will write in this question, to prove that we have to, what we have to prove? We have to prove OB is equal to OA. So we will use congruency. First we will say where is the congruency we are proving. So we start the proof. Which triangles we are taking? In triangle BOC and triangle DBOC, and we are taking in triangle AOD. So what is happening? Angle B, I can write by single alphabet, angle B is equal to angle A, 90 degree each, which is given. Also BC is equal to AD, this is also given, isn't it? And now one more thing is to be proved. So since these two are straight lines, so this angle will be equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So I have to use 3 alphabet. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. So once the two triangles are, now what is happening? We are getting two angles and one side. So angle and the excluded side, that means triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by AAS. So this implies that what will happen? This implies that triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, OB is equal to OA, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Criteria. Also we can straight away write OC is equal to OD, though this is not to be proved, but just I mentioned that is how it is done. Now let us go to the next question. So the next question, I will need a little bit of duster, just a second. So in the next question, how do we go? Let us see how do we go here. Let us have a look. So in question number 2, let us see. A, B, C. Now these two triangles are there. Now this here, B is equal to CF. Let me name the alphabet, right? B is equal to CF. So now see, the altitudes are equal, so I take this out. So this is A, this is E, and this is B. So I have taken this part out, and I will take this part out also. So what is happening if I am taking this part out? What is the name? A, F and C. In your rough work you can do, don't show it in front, you can do it on your rough work. This angle is 90, this angle is 90. Suppose I keep this as A. So A is in both the cases and they are telling B is equal to CF. Now you see these two triangles are congruent by what? These two triangles are congruent by angle side and angle side. Why? Because see, now how I will write, in triangle AEB and triangle AFC, angle A is common, then angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, each 90 degree, and also BE is equal to CF given. So what does this imply? This implies that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC by angle side, and once they are congruent, what does that means? What is to be proved? AB is equal to AC. So by CP/CT, AB is equal to AC, corresponding part of congruent triangle criteria. Thank you.